Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, you're looking for an easy affiliate marketing course that you can start promoting. So maybe you're watching this video because you're a little bit inexperienced and you know nothing about affiliate marketing, or maybe you are experienced and you're looking for something that's just a little more suited for you guys. Not exactly sure what your journey is, but maybe this video can help. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So today I'll be talking about the 10x income system, guys. This is an affiliate system created by TabbyD where you can potentially earn unlimited $297 in commissions with no complicated setup, no experience or tech skills needed, and no waiting. Even though I personally think there is waiting for results, but not as long as some of the other affiliate programs will have you waiting, guys, because of the autopilot traffic, which I'll be getting to in just a second, guys. So what makes this so special? What makes this program so easy? What is the secret sauce we got going on here in the 10x income program? Well, it's actually the autopilot traffic, guys. Lifelong traffic, 100% passive. Why is all this true? It's because TabbyD is actually a Google traffic expert, guys. And once you become a member of this affiliate course, which is not free, we'll be discussing the prices in just a second, guys. But once you become a member of this course, you will have the option to purchase TabbyD's traffic packages, guys, that do convert pretty well. But that is an option once you become a member, guys. That is not all. That is not by all means a necessary method. It is just completely optional. But once you buy these traffic packages, guys, you will use the traffic that TabbyD has collected for you, and it will be directly pointed at your affiliate link. So those leads that TabbyD has collected will potentially convert into sales, guys. Easy sales just for you, which equal $297 commissions. That's pretty much how the traffic packages work, and they work in pretty much three tiers. I believe there's a $60 traffic package, one that costs $110, and another one that costs $200. I believe the $60 one has 5,000 leads, and the one with 110 has over 10,000, and the one that's 200 is almost triple, as I believe, guys. So stop failing and finally break through. Now, let's go down to price, guys. This is not a free course, as I mentioned. It actually used to be $997. By $997, I mean $997. Yes, this is not a free course, guys. This does cost money. There's an investment, but I definitely think that it is worth it because of the results, guys, that come from it. But recently, there was a huge price cut. So now, as of making this video, guys, this could change, but it is now $297, guys. Only $297. Used to be $997, but is now $297. And I know that still might be a little steep for some of you, especially if you're starting out. But check this out. 365-day money back guarantee. So there's pretty much little to no risk once you become a member. Now, what I would recommend is trying this out for a couple of weeks, get some results from it. And if you actually like the 10x income system and the strategies that are provided inside, stick with it. If not, just simply get a refund. So even though this is a paid course with a price that may be kind of steep, there's always a way out, guys. If that's a method you choose to go. But I personally do not know anyone who is a member of the 10x income program who had to use this money back because this system is working for most of the members, guys. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. If you want to visit this page, guys, and check out more of the 10x income system and TabbyD and watch this video, links are down below in the description. Comment if you have any questions or concerns, guys, related to this video. All right, see you next time.